KCET 2025 aspirants, so if you remember, today is the last date for filling the KEA application form and for registration. So all those students who are willing to write KCET 2025 examination and haven't filled the form yet, please remember today is the last date. You have time till 11:59 p.m. So please make sure that you complete the registration and the application filling of application form by today 11:59 p.m. okay, but this video is not regarding this was just a reminder. But yes, I want to draw your attention towards the document verification process. Many students are very confused regarding the claimed certificate, claimed not verified, not claimed, claimed verified. So many confusions are there. So KEA has released a notice on that, so I want to draw your attention towards that and clear all your doubts. Okay, so please watch the complete video. So you can go to the KEA official website, then you click on this admissions section, you can come to this page, then click on this UGCET 2025. So if you click on this one, UGCET 2025, you will be directed to this page. Okay, now here you can see that a note for candidates is there, so click on this one and we will be directed to an official notice. So this official notice is regarding the information to the candidates whose claim certificates is printed as claimed verified or claimed not verified or not claimed. Okay, so now see, opportunity will be given to candidates to verify their documents at the respective PU colleges even after the second PU exams. Very important point, that once your exam gets over, you will be given time to make sure or to verify your documents in your college, respective PU colleges. Hence, the candidates who have not verified their documents till now need not be panic and can get their documents verified after the second PU examination. I hope the second PU examinations will get over by 28th of March. So after that also you will get time to verify your documents. And one more important thing here, students need not be under the perception that only document verified students will be given the CET 2025 admission ticket. It is not like that. All those students who have paid the application fees and have submitted the CET 2025 application online will be given the admission ticket for CET 2025 examination. So even if your documents are verified, not verified, you will be given your admit card and you will be eligible to write the exam. Okay, now this claim certificate, this document verification, this all will be affected when your rank comes. Okay, when your rank will be calculated, your category matters, but for writing the exam it is not important. So that is why if you have just filled the form and paid the application fees, you are eligible to write the exam. You will be given the admit card as well. Okay, next, here something regarding the non-Karnataka students. Non-Karnataka students are eligible only for BSc nursing course, okay, and they will have to appear for PCB subject in CET 2025. So yes, if you are interested in nursing and you want to do nursing from the colleges of Karnataka, but you are not a non-Karnataka student, then definitely you can also apply. Now, non-Karnataka students will not be eligible for engineering and other courses. Further, the non-Karnataka students will not be eligible for reservation. So you will be writing the exam as a general candidate. Okay, reservation is applicable only to eligible Karnataka students as per the norms. Okay, next, here something very important for the medical students. For medical, dental and Ayush courses admission, students should get qualified in the UG NEET 2025. So you should qualify the NEET examination, but you should also have registered in the KEA and submitted the online application by paying the fees. So you have to register, you have to pay the fees, but exam you have to write is UG NEET, and if you qualify the NEET examination, then you are eligible for taking part in the counseling process of Karnataka medical colleges. Okay, so those students who want medical, dental or Ayush courses, you have to write NEET exam, but yes, you also have to register and fill the application form with paying the fees. Okay, so that's all an important information. So students, now you can focus on your PU board examination and do not panic regarding the document verification. after your PU2 exam also you can do it. So this was an important update, and for such more updates do not forget to follow the channel.